everyone, I'm Avery, and this is Avery's World. Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing a jewelry unboxing. Before we get started, I just wanted to show you some of the tools that I use when I do these unboxings. First, we have a pair of scissors. Next, a magnifying glass. A magnet to check for sterling silver. A mandrel to determine ring sizes, and a tape measure to check the length of bracelets and necklaces. Okay, you guys, here we go. Now, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. I usually do jewelry and clothing hauls, and I'm a reseller on Poshmark and Mercari. If you're interested in purchasing any of the jewelry that you see in today's video, you can leave a comment down below, or you can send me a message on Instagram. Okay, you guys, I just need to get through some of this saran wrap, and then we can see the jewelry. Okay, it's finally starting to come off. Yep, here we go. Yep, I just love these unboxings. They're so much fun. Okay, so let's look at our first ring. And this is a very pretty ring. It looks like it has maybe small diamonds or CZs. Very pretty. Let's test it with the magnet. Okay, it's not sticking, which is a good sign. And let's see what size it is. It's 6 3/4. Okay, on to the next. We have a beautiful ring here. The center stone looks like green amethyst, and maybe the other stones are glass or emeralds. It is not sticking to the magnet, which is good. Let's see what size it is. This ring is almost a size 10. Okay, on to the next. Now this sort of looks like an engagement ring. Very pretty. Let's see if it'll stick to the magnet. Nope, that's a good sign. And let's see what size it is. Looks like a size 6. Okay, on to the next. This is a very pretty marcasite ring. It has some CZs in it too. It's very pretty. And let's see if it'll stick to the magnet. Nope. And let's see what size it is. It's 6 3/4. Okay, you guys, this is our last ring. And this is very pretty, and it looks like blue topaz. Let's see if it'll stick to the magnet. And it's sticking a little bit, so that's not good. But that's okay. Let's check the size of this ring. It looks like 5 3/4. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite item was from today's video. I think I really like the Marcasite ring. Okay, you guys, I'll see you next time. Bye!